For our second award goes to Derek Domancas, our season MVP. And also best in 3 points. And how do you feel or how proud of you na maging MVP season and best in 3 points?
Feeling ko lang naman po bonus lang. Kasi syempre, gusto ko lang naman po manalo para sa team. And yun lang, bonus lang. Pwede sumunod kasi tingin ko naman yung tira ko, tira din ng team. So, yun lang.
And katulad ng tanong ko kay Damon, sa tingin mo, gano'ng ka-proud si Danny Bocci?
Malabo pa, malayo pa.
Okay, so marami pang pagdadaanan or paglalaro para maging mas proud si Daddy Bocci para kay Derek Domancas. Congratulations again, Derek, for a job well done. And let's get ready for our second game. The Team Space Cowboys versus the Team Leeds.